ngizwa ngabo 1 ngizwa ukuthi uyaphupha ngithi ne wena ngithi ngibona uJabu
Unoma nightmares. Literally.
Football used to be nice, man. Kodwa khona la sekuzohamba. Makuye umshini. Sidlala neChiefs. Awona kulo. La neChiefs ukuthi ibhola phezulu. uDavid ayishaya ngekhanda uDavid Bathimu. Ayithi owela lapha ivuke bayithi yavuka. Mina benginestairs uhlala ebhenchini ngivale ngehoodie kanje ngiyahleka. Ize kimi that's why you are not playing. You cheaper be. Okay, bekangekho lathi mnandi yabona naseteamini. So
he was not your top
yeah,
player.
Was top player.
Umdlali nje.
Umdlali nje yabona. Awu
Nikhona nina.
Simnandi yabona boom. Hawu masithi siyabuya Monday assembly.
Yeah.
Cheaper is gone. Monday basitshena assembly. Hey, unfortunately guys, uhanjiwe kwayiwe neSprite. One of us is moving to under 23. National team, yeah.
Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle. It's your boy Spusiso Mahlangu, your host on Jabu Mahlangu Diski Shandis. Niyazi mani ngamboni uJabu Mahlangu lana kusho ukuthi namhlanje yimi on pet. Guys, namhlanje I have another guest, someone that I've played football with at Bidvest Vets. Or someone who was born at Piet Retief at Driefontein, Piet Retief Paraman. We've got your boy Usfiso Jomo Vilakazi. Njoman,
Sense of knowledge.
unjani wathi?
Thank you, my brother.
Ngiyabonga mfethu to honor this invitation mfethu.
Thank you, my brother.
Dala ngagcina mfethu, ngagcina enkundleni mfethu sisabamosha mina nawe.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Sisabamosha nje amkreni.
Mnandi.
No mfana namani, welcome to the show my brother. We in this show my brother we are not here to talk bad things, but we are here to educate, to entertain, and also to engage with our fans, to our South Africans. I believe there's a lot of people that know you, that love football, that would love to know story sakho, that would love to know ukuthi uJomo ubuya kuphi, how did he end up where he is, and as a show, as a podcast, sifuna ukuthi ukhuluma story sakho the way when I would love. You know, in the past, in fact, before we had these platforms, I'm a podcast, you would have an interview and have a journalist interviewing you. Akaqeda abhala story sakhe ngendlela yakhe, not the way wena usibeke ngakhona. So I'd love to encourage namanye amajita ukuthi they must go to my podcast, because you get a chance to tell story sakho the way wena ufuna ngakhona. You understand, my brother? Yeah. So feel free mfana njengoba sikubizile, tell your story in the next 50, 100 years to come. Le story sakho lesizophuma the way usifake ngakhona wena. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, so mfethu ngiyabonga mfethu for coming, and yeah mfethu asingene endabeni, and before ngicala ngelontuzane, guys, can you please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so that you can get a notification with Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Villa.
Bode.
All right mngano.
No, mnandi.
Sharp mfana. So asiqale mfana, ngicela mfana usigaye your background nje ukuthi ubani uSibusiso Jomo Vilakazi, ubuyaphi, wazalelwaphi, background yakho nje ukuthi abazali bakho, imvelaphi yakho nje mfethu, ngicela usiphe yona nje.
Yeah. First and foremost, I would like to thank Jabu Mahlangu for the invite, and thank you guys for welcoming me at the show. Sfiso Vilakazi, yeah, are an interesting thing. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it. May God bless you guys. Ukuthi nisikhipe last corner emahlathini wherever la nisithole khona, and then nisinike ithuba lokuthi si express how things started and how things ended and how are we doing now.
Exactly.
Yeah, Sifiso Vulazi farm boy. Farm boy. I'm from down there in Mpumalanga, in a small place called Itrifanteni. Piet Retief is our town. So ngizalwa Osvat Vilakazi no Veronica Vilakazi, my mom and my father. Unfortunately, my father is no longer more. May his soul rest in peace.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nami as like a young man, bekaphuma emakhaya ngafika ngamuvela ngapha eJozi, as kwaziwa eJozi is where we get opportunities ze football. Ngazama, I started playing football ngisasemncane khona lapha eDrivantini emakhaya until 2013. That's when I retired.
So ngitshele mfana, because abantu baseDriefontein they need to know now, because bamile manje babukele bazwile ukuthi khona umfana wasePiet Retief la. They all want to know ukuthi uSifiso lo eDriefontein, maybe which team did you play for, uattende siphi isikolo until you move to Joburg, uhambe nini eDriefontein uzufike ngapha nje. Sicalele yona kahle nje, usho nje umanshini isikolo sakho nama teams owadlalele nje amateur level.
Yeah, what a journey. And started, there was a team called Young Movers at Driefontein. I started playing soccer there, and then I moved. Okay, ngangena isikolo obviously eSibanisezwe primary school. When I was up ngizoya ku secondary, ngamuva ngaya kwenye indawo, another farm, bekuyi boarding school iSinethemba secondary school, and then it was a boarding school. I started there 3 years, and then I was chased away because we asked mawukhula yabona uba nezinto zenzayo yabona ngitholakala because we were separated, boys and girls.
Yeah.
So most of the time
bona ukuthola ngani
ngitholakala la side, I'm offside. Yabona, so yeah, yabona, yeah. Okay, I moved to Ermelo, where I joined a team called the Youngsters.
Yeah.
That's where I started to notice with no man. Besidlala nje team inidlala sonke nangu Chipa Nhleko, boom, Cosmos.
Yeah.
Wow.
Udlala no Chipa lapha eMelo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's possible, mos.
Yeah.
I thought it was into yabantu baseJozi.
Ubonela le, yeah.
Into boyibonela le phezulu, and wena la manje makusuka umuntu la, and then akhona wa select wasidlala ama provincial schools tournament. That's when he was promoted, he was selected to Cosmos.
Yeah.
And I was part of the
tournament.
Yeah, and the team yase Emelo, my select.
Also you guys played in the same team?
Yeah, Eskolweni.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So my season, how Chipa has been selected, or under 23.
Yeah.
Is going to play under 23, and then thina uyazi mase ngikhula estradini ibhola nidlala nje ukuthi it's
passing time nje siyadlala ngoba siyalithanda siyakena.
Yeah, yabona siyalazi, yabona manje uChipa be okay bekangekho lathi mnandi, yabona naseteamini. So
he was not your top player.
Yeah, was the top player.
Umdlali nje.
Umdlali nje, yabona.
Nikhona nina.
Simnandi yabona ukudlala vele udlala nje, but yena he was on the day. Yeah, he was committed and he was hunger. Yabona. That's when
structure sakhe body wise bayambona ukuthi hayi lo mdlali lo.
Yeah, this guy u serious. How
axebula net.
Boom. Hawu masithi siyabuya Monday assembly kuyamenyezelwa besingazi ukuthi kunama scouts lapha siyethine siyele nje, because we were from Ermelo siyodlala I school tournament in Nelspruit.
Yeah.
Oh, Chipa is gone. Monday basitshena assembly, unfortunately guys uhanjiwe kwayiwe Nelspruit. One of us is moving to under 23 national team. Yeah, was selected kanjalo waqala under 23 before ya Cosmos Chipa.
You lie.
Okay, yeah. And then we were like, kanjani? Yabona manibuza kanjani?
ngoba zikhona izinja zalana
siyaziwa vele ukuthi makukhulunywa ngesikolo Monday makuzokhulunywa ukuthi ubani uvila
Naba abantu.
nabo waya khona umjidi bedlala naye uwaya vele bekwaziwe esigele ukuthi hayi these two ibabenza izinto zenzeka
Yeah.
cheaper. Okay, we started now change mindset now, and then ne family ke Soweto eCentral eWhite City.
Yeah.
I started now to call my cousin wami, hey bafethu, nayo lento yebhola ngathi serious. No ngumjito uhambile. So kadlala ku Cosmos ubizwe under 23. What can you do?
Yeah.
But no, bokufike 1 December kunama tournament aka Godfrey Mloyi.
Okay.
Yeah, and then sizobhesha esquadini sibone ukuthi bazokuthanda yini amajito yazi vele abantu basemakasi babona uFarm Boy vele kunzima kunzima yabona nami ngiyafika vele yabona hayi nami nalomqondo wasemakhaya vele ukuthi ngeke ngizwe ngomunye umfana
Yeah.
yabona ngiyafika lapha kuyadlalwa
Wona uphethe lo mqondo lo vele afuna nyabaze.
ngithi uyazi mawukhulela emakhaya yabona unalento leyo nje ukuthi ayomunye umfana
Ungikhumbuza umbokazi lenkulumo leyo inkulumo enibuya nayo live
yabona
Yeah.
sifike lapha ngifike first day siyajima yabona bona labafana baselokishini
Yeah.
ba pensela mina hayi pensela kusinto zami ukumikisa nje umzaca goalkeeper ngingazi nethi ukuthi ngiyakora yeah mina into engifuna imali
Yeah.
because ngikhule emakhaya la ideki yabona lento zeinkomo yabona ngizana lo mqondo lana hayi bathi hayi uMidfield show ngithi
Uyidle siswini
ngidle siswini
phela mina ngikwazi umgadli
ngikuba umgadli ngiqala la juice
Okay.
angithi manje mina ngikhona kulamavula vala
Yeah, uyaphambili yakho
mina ngiyaphambili mangijampa nje center ngike ngibuze ngithi ngale kuphekweni
kanjani
so bathi hayi ndoda hayi man sicela usibambele phambili la emidlina asiboni kahle
zikhona izinja zaseSoweto lokho zilithi yeah
wena sizokuthi nje nangephisi ngangimnandi ngamandla yonke into yabona
Yeah.
akuthiwa mana usibambele lapha phambili
yeah
ncenge tournament ngingaba i-top goal scorer ne-player of the tournament lapho first season ngifika nje fika la ijuice engathi baqala manje hey ndoda emakhayeni kanti umnandi uyabona ngithola ama prize kanti nje
abobani udlala nabo la Soweto kulama tournament mhlamba that went on to play maybe professional football osabakhumbula maybe mawufika
Ido khona Ido idlala ku Innocent Mtsume
yeah Innocent Mtsume yeah
idlala ku Dynamos
yeah
ngidlale naye the Bull
ucibi
yeah akuswalozi bekeza ke azodlala e-teamini yethu
yeah
yibo nabo bana no who's the captain under 23 Percival bana this guy Percival
Mletsane akusimletsane
I think nguye Mletsane
Percival Mletsane yeah
nguye under 23 captain vele kudala yabujabu
yeah
naye nguye babe PSL
okay
nenye ke yayidlala ku Yebo Yes kan Yebo Yes sase uTsepo yibe ngangidlala nabo.
All right, and then you adlala lapha Godfrey Mloyi, thathi player of the tournament, top goal scorer. From there kwenzakalani?
Luckily ngathathwa AC Mnini angimixa ku Swallows.
AC Mnini.
Yeah, AC Mnini.
The legendary AC Mnini.
Yeah, angimixa ku Swallows.
Yeah.
Mangifika ku Swallows bangidropela ku development.
Yeah.
Bangisa u Benzwane.
Yena bekakwisa ku first team.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, wangirecommenda ku first team ngajima nabo I think 2 days or what. Yeah, 2 days. Yeah, ngajima 2 days. Demote but ngihambe ngijima ne reserve.
How old are you then?
I think lapho I was 20 in my 20s.
Yeah. Early 20s.
Yeah, early 20s, 22, 20, yeah.
Yeah.
But nomqondo wawungakabi
awukakavuthwa phela usayibuyele emakhaya wena nje usesenje
isase sakugcwele iplus
yeah
uyabona
so you went and played good development basically.
Yeah,
Swallows.
Yeah.
How long do you play there?
I played for 1 season. But azangiqede because in between lapha besilibele kudlala lama tournament yabona likhani kusena izinto ukuthi ama mine abiza ama development.
I remember that time. Yeah.
And then sahamba sawudlala ni Winners Park.
Yeah.
Polokwane.
Okay.
That's when they took me by Winners Park. Bangitshontsha from lapho but ufuni sine team lana sizo because lapha besingaholi ku Swallows yabe basinika nje ama transport money.
Okay.
So bangithembisa imali and that time 2000 rand. No. Lento leya la ngishiya Polokwane.
Yeah.
Ngayo ngawuhlala le ku Winners Park ke. So I promoted Winners Park from Vodacom to MDC to First Division.
NFT.
Yeah, NFT.
Yeah. Winners Park lapha, maybe is there any players maybe ubakhumbulayo that also made it professional?
Yeah, quite a lot.
Yeah.
Elias Ngwepe was there.
Uh-huh.
Who's this guy? Mwarware wanje ngombani?
Benjamin.
Shabalala, the tall guy, the striker from Bloemfontein Celtics.
Ngiyambona lo.
Yeah, Collins.
Yeah,
Collins
Shabalala, yeah.
was there. Who else? Elias Ngwepe. Mlawutsi, there was another guy Mlawutsi naye.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, bona sibashiye mabe promoter inakhoza. Bo Pepino's Fison Club wala a White Seat also.
Yeah.
Eh.
Okay. So na promoter when you left the team.
Yeah, in the middle photo of that season, must promoter from Vodacom to NFT.
Yeah.
Ngadlala lapho half a season. Ngathathwa iPillars, City Pillars.
Yeah.
Bangitshontsha from ku Winners Park.
Yeah.
I joined City Pillars.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still in the NFT.
Yeah, NFT, yeah. City Pillars because he was the team that was paying well. NFT that time.
Yeah.
So I went for greener pastures. Yeah. And then sadlala zange sipronyothe salose promotion. Yathathwa iCeltics. Pronyotha kwiCeltics. Okay.
So okay, this is within a year usukile eMpumalanga.
No.
Within yeah, I'm trying to
One
get
and a half.
1.5. Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm trying to understand your mentality at the time because ubuye emakhaya, remember I will always remind you this. At the end of the day, much as you are telling your story, ama viewers wethu ngifuna ukuthi ukhuthaze umunye umfana ole Driefontein.
Yeah.
Uyangithola idream nokuthi angayiboni ngathi kude lento.
Yeah.
Noma ungabe uhlelile emtubatube or kuphi.
Yeah.
It's possible to achieve lama dreams lawo. Ubuya eMpumalanga, a small town in Driefontein. You come to Soweto, the biggest township in South Africa.
Yeah.
Uadjusta kanjani mawufika lana ntwana ingqondo yamajita azange uphazamiseke in terms of lifestyle and the way amajita aphila ngakhona and wena uphethe ingqondo yakho yale mfethu emakhaya.
Yeah, one thing engayisho and engakhuthaza abanye abantu ukuthi I think if you want it and you dream about it, it's possible. Yeah, because into engicabanga futhi uthi yangisiza kakhulu my father was very strict.
Okay.
And I always had a fear wherever la ngihamba khona.
Khumbula ubaba.
Yangikhumbula ubaba uthi yeah ubaba mayengezwe kuthiwa ngimesapile.
Yeah.
I think that helped me a lot because ngangilale ngqondo nje ukuthi ubaba yazi mayengezwe ukuthi ngitholakele maybe ngidakiwe or ngizophela isibhaxo.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah,
is the same as lento bengitshela yona of the show manje ngithi mina yazi mina ngibona manje abantu bethu basigibela benza yonke into bayadlala nathi
Yeah.
thina sasihlala sazalwa amabhubesi
Yeah.
ongafisa ukumbona ubaba uthi mawuzwa ekhuluma la ngaphandle uphume ngejubane ubaleke ungenzanga next
Ungenzanga next.
ya wenzanga next but ngoba manje nali ibhubesi yabona ungashaya ushayela ukuthi uhleleleni endlini
Yeah.
indoda ifunana endlini emini you understand so yabona ukuthi that environment yangisiza kakhulu because nalana eSoweto I think uadjusta futhi kwami kwaba lula kakhulu because azange ngikhule ne cheese and butter.
Yeah.
You understand? Ngang accept anything that is coming my way. Uyabona? So lokho ngiyacabanga nako kwaba ne impact nakuzo because from ukusuka le ekhaya ngize la eSoweto ngafika eSoweto ngaba I had a lot of friends. Uyabona? Because futhi I'm still the same guy or ngiyakhona ukukhuluma ngijoke around, you understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think naloko kwangisiza because even moving from Soweto to Polokwane I adjusted. I mean I think it didn't even took me about 2 months ukukhuluma isiShangane.
Yeah.
I was fluent because open ngiyakhona ukuadapt. Yeah, I think kwangisiza kakhulu lokho.
So your upbringing,
Yeah.
your parents, your community,
Yeah.
you are what you are today because of that upbringing.
Yeah, because into ekwenza umuntu kakhulukazi ukukhuliswa kwakho. Uyabona umntwana mayine foundation right.
Yeah.
Ukhula kamnandi. That's why I always tell even my kids ukuthi yazi it's umntwana okhule nobaba. I'm not saying I'm not talking bad about bomama, but okhule nobaba uba more stronger than okhule no mama. Sometimes abanye abakhule nabo mama baba more stronger than abakhule nabo baba, yabona. Because if you know ukuthi you taking everything.
Okay. No, yeah, ngiyakuzwa ntwana. So uyaya le Polokwane City Pillars sign you. Your journey to I know NFD and PSL, they are all professional, but uqala manje ukuvela TV, you going to who signs you, which yipi team eqalile yakusign abathi na ku PSL, which team signed you first?
Free State Stars.
Free State Stars.
Yiko ngithi kuwe yazi sometimes uNkulunkulu usibusiso. Yeah, usibusiso kakhulu umdali and wenza izinto ngendlela nawe ongayicabanga ngakhona because mangidlala ku City Pillars we fighting for a promotion.
Yeah.
Makubele siphonyothwe ko Province Celtics.
Yeah.
And mind you, ne 6 months ngifikile lapha ku City Pillars from go Free State Winners Park.
Winners Park, yeah.
Yeah, and then mangisidlala ivali season iFree State Stars ngale because bekunele i-dream angithi iPronyoto.
Oh yeah, there were 2 streams at the time.
Yeah, iPronyoto iFree State Stars ngale nayo the following season.
Yeah.
Ngitholi call from Thembastole is not around useZambia yo scout abo Kennedy Mwene.
Yeah.
Ngifike ngithi mina ngisakhonhla yahamba ngikhumbule ekhaya.
Yeah.
But manje une contract nithi
Niyafa-
vele lento yama contract nje kimi ayikho lento yabona.
Niyafamba mina.
Yeah.
Niyafamba ngibuyela Joni.
Numela ekhaya.
Yeah.
Yabona ngithi mina ngiphethele inqondo asemaka ukuthi ungaphuma eteamini la uyodlala kwanye.
Yeah.
Ba ngitshena icontract ngithi yini yona leyo. Ya ngisafuna ukudlala la.
Ngitshenge iphepha.
Yeah, ngisafuna kodwa ukudlala la. Vele nabo bafuna ukuhafula i-team. Bafela bathi hayi inali phepha lakho. Bazosign abotiko yabona.
Yeah.
Ba build a new team, vele baqosha thine lapho nginonyaka kubo. Ayi ngivele ngithathe iphepha lami ngiyele ekhaya, ngihlala ekhaya. Kuphele a week. Hey ngathi man naku ngixake eksile.
Sengikumsebenzi.
Ngiyakumsebenzi manje. Hayi. Angihlale a week angifonela uThembastone. Ndoda. siyaqala i-pre-season next week
Yeah.
e-Free State. Mina ngisemakhaya le but manje ngifakeleni imali ye-taxi.
Yeah.
Ngibele ngizongithola ijuice. Avele ngigibele from ijuice ngize ke avele sifike basithathe ke ijuice siye Free State. That's where the journey started ke higher level.
The PSL.
Yeah, the PSL thing.
So Uthemba Sithole at the time, is he a coach? Is he a scout? What is he at Free State Stars?
Is the assistant coach and the scout.
Assistant and the scout.
Yeah, we a scout on my player.
Yeah. Okay, because I'm asking Uthemba Sithole when I'm a brother because this guy, I don't think he's celebrated enough like South Africa. He's a lot of players that we've interviewed here, especially abadlali ku Free State Stars. Most of them baze ngoThemba Sithole.
Yeah.
And I will bring this even today. That team is Kukune where he works now. They've recruited some of the best players in South Africa. And this Kukune is not a big team. But if you look at the player profile, I recruit a player mnandi. So uSthemba Sithole mfethu ake usitshele mfethu utshele nabantu like yini special ngalo yamjita mfethu.
I think uThemba Sithole my brother into engakutshela yona is it takes time with players.
Yeah.
He goes around the I can ngamfanisa like Jomoson type of a person.
Exactly, yeah.
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 But the thing that I've noticed with why he's not celebrated in South Africa is because he's not original from South Africa.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a Mozambican guy.
How? Kunabo Sithole Mozambique. You lie, Bob. Serious?
Yeah, he was born in Maputo, that guy. But because the way I understand engakhona mangifike Free State Stars.
Yeah.
uMike Mgwena wamthatha sasemncane.
Yeah.
Wakhulela shinto uMike nguye omenzela lama ID and all. Serious?
You lie.
Yeah, serious. I think it's Mike Mgwena.
So it's possible that he might not be a Sithole.
Yeah. Possible.
Mhlambe ubanibani. Yeah. Figuarero something.
Yeah, or Fikru.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Fikru now, yeah, sas.
Hey, not to keep his gaga la. But besides that, mfethu singadweli on that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, ngitshela something mina as Uthemba Sithole, as someone who's into football, ngiyamfrustana because I do a lot of things as enzayo, coaching, scouting, performance analysis. So ngiyamlandela kakhulu umsebenzi wakhe and I like his work.
Yeah.
So I've always asked myself, with this guy, why South Africa he's not being celebrated that much as he should. You understand?
Yeah.
Because I think he has done so much for South African football in Fetu. And there's a lot of players our approach with him in Fetu. And we must thank him.
Yeah.
And the Mukwena family for bringing such a guy.
Yeah.
We are like any problem.
Blind. Into engichaza ngayo ukuthi akasabe uThemba Sithole go to the bushes.
Yeah.
Ayofuna iplayer.
We are hamba uzifunela.
Bush Park Reach ukutshena ukuthi mina ngibuye bush.
Akusi lama luntuzane lama scouts lawa ahlala la efonini so abheke ama video and then bese sign player.
Yes.
Someone recently was telling me about Kaizer Chiefs, which the reason in the past years, not manje at least they've improved. In the past few years, the recruitment structure yabo bebabukela ama video kakhulu. That is why they've signed shit players in the past. like for real, they've signed amanye ama player better, but manje njengoba kuqala uNabi going forward, they are doing well. They are improving. They are going back to the way the Chiefs has been doing things, gosh, I'm told.
Yeah.
But yeah, Uthemba Sithole, I just wanted us to talk about him and just say simnika ama flowers wakhe asaphila.
Yeah, he deserves them.
Yeah, so Free State mfethu uyafika lapha my brother.
Yeah.
Manje PSL phela manje akusese NFT.
Eish,
There's players now uyawabukela TV. Bakhona lapha. Bobani obathola lapha mfethu, and who's your coach mawufika la?
Free State Stars sifika lapha nayo iku NFT. Yeah, ku PSL very most of the players ngiyawazi.
Their first season, yeah.
Yeah, siyabazi, and then fika bo Kennedy yabona
Umwini.
yeah Kennedy Mwene yeah
Yeah.
fika bo buya bo Tse Umkoro ku Super Sport I think
Uchipa.
Swallows, yeah
Uchipa konjibeka buya Uchipa.
Swallows.
Because uchipa usuke ku Free State weza ku Super Sport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wabuyele ekhaya nabo Jimmy Khawuleza
Yeah.
wabuya nabo Jimmy nabo Malawi bo Thilu yabona yabo Joe Paula and we had a good team ku Free State yabona the structure sabo I think we say right kube maybe what can I say I don't want to put it in a bad way kube Mike was not like he was not relaxed
Yeah.
ngabe we fought for things and we won things
Because of the quality of players.
yeah
But not relaxed. What do you mean relaxed, mfethu? Because
he light man too much player maliqala li city team iba grand beka ngamind to keep 4 or 5 players
our vice.
yeah what tennis the team lapho is maybe is pushing
Oh, I understand you now.
uthengisa boshaba pusha
Nibona ukuthi manje we are challenging for
we challenge
things
yeah
itself.
Patrick Malokas wabathengisa ubona bo njubani Tsotetsi wabathengisa bo Santos
Yeah.
the team is lapho is in a possibility to challenge for the league.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, but just nje to another moment of educating. Teams that sell players is how they survive. It's how they, because of sponsors,
Yeah,
all those
maybe,
things. So
yeah.
that's how they keep going as a team to manage
Yeah.
a team iqhubeke. So that's why they will sell players. But that's how maybe they survive. And
Yeah.
since uthatshile kulama time lawa the Mukwenas bebanjani lama time lawa mfethu nje ugrana leya team leya and bona nje personally bekwabantu abanjani the time uqale ngale time leli bese uza ngo the son konje who's the guy
Ranzi.
uRansi. I don't want to go will saqeda ngalo ukugcina but uRansi ne time lakhe bebanjani running the team.
Yeah. Mr. Mkwena, what a guy. May his soul rest in peace. One thing I liked about him, he was quite honest. And he loved his players.
Yeah.
And then he was a father figure again, kuma players wakhe. But because wakhulu ngalabantu abakhe.
uRansi and
Yeah, babethatha ama decision through emotions and age because I think we were that time we were in the same age and then masihamba la ndleleni shayisana emakhonini beshayisana nabo uyabona
bakompita nani
yeah you
and
understand
then nisesibukweni
Yeah,
nama provo
yathina silapha
bona base background abaziyo
yeah
mara amaboss wethu
yeah amaboss you understand so bebaba nako
bafuna ukukompita nani
yeah ukuthi
bafuna ukubonisa ukuthi hey
bathina siyindwana yabona
Yeah.
but silapha yana ku same age yabona and emakuphunyiwe kwiwa le mahlathini sisonke
senilwela ingane
yeah
manje
okay bengafuna usala yeah izinto
yeah it's always the case
yeah
it's always the case yeah
uthola umuntu omadala sike kuba against you
Yeah.
uyabona ukuthi there isuka lapha
lesuka la
yeah
lesuka kule ndaba le ya weekend
madala was beka right baba Mkwena beka right very much.
So you played at Free State Stars that season and then Ajax Cape Town comes knocking.
Yeah.
But I sakufuna bakubonile mfethu and to be honest with you mina personally that's where I first saw you. Ngimbona lo mdlalo ukuthi hey lengwenya le hey yabanike umasela ngithe ndoda yayixebula inethi le ndoda le yeah iza kanjani le move mfethu
Imove le mfethu iza ngendlela eziningi. Iza ngendlela eziningi. Yiyo ngithi uNkulunkulu namandla.
Yeah.
Yeah, uNkulunkulu umkhulu and ungathathi kancane ama decision wakhe or inqumo zakhe because unokususa ezinye izinto wena uthi uyakulahla kanti uyakhanyisela.
Yeah.
Sadlala ku Free State Stars ayivele ngomshaya manqaku ku Free State Stars hayi ngiyaziwa ngishaya manqaku basayina Sithembiso Ngcobo basayina uJimmy Zakazaka
Yeah.
kuhamba uRoy Barrett as a coach kufika uKinapiro mafika uKinapiro kakanziwa next athi this guy you saying he's a striker this one lapho ngisathanda ukukundisha iscope kakhulu this one no scars nothing the striker yabo okay liyabonakala ukuthi uvulela la afika nabo la afika nabo because in football most of the time yenzeka le nto
kuzinkotshiza nabantu
iza nabantu bayo vele uphethe uSithembiso Ngcobo uphethe uJimmy Zakazaka yabona uphethe istriker zakhe vele ukhala ngokuthi akuna striker you understand hayi Celtics yangifuna ngapha
yeah
because mina no Mike were very close very close because uMike beka nomntana wakhe konje Mtibang.
Okay.
His soul rest in peace. We were very close now they are out today because we were from the same age, same date. Everything was the same. So he used to call me a twin.
Oh,
so
okay.
My twin. We were very close.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Celtics yangifuna kamkwena ngijwayele ngiye ku Mike. Celtics wants me. Lo muntu akasangidlalisa. Na 6 months angidlali. From season iqalile until December.
Awudlalisi.
Yeah.
Yo.
Right. If usizodlala nama big team uyangidlalisa ngifike ngikore angikhiphe. You understand? Oh. Pramike ngathi angenelele ngelinye ilanga xatshano ke athi Mike but masingadliwa ngiyaxoxa angadlali umfana. Sasizodlala nani lapho? Sasodlala neSundowns. Ngifike angilahlele from ngithatha standing ngiyabona nabo ma 3 months thatha standing angilahlele i-team belibidlala iwin yabona uMike athi nangu umuntu okushayela inet
Yeah.
dlalisa lo muntu ayilena igoloza athi uMike dlalisa lo muntu ayi kufike lapho sizodlala neSundowns vele eyangilahlele ngifike ngikore
From the stands.
ngifike ngikore siwin 2-1 esadlala nama tax sengikhomba tax ceda kuproject ama tax
Yeah.
from nowhere angithathe lo muntu angilahlele ama tax kana shitsa kakhulu aphethe bomasilela
Andile Jali.
yabo Andile Jali
Abolo Thokozi Siyende.
yeah ndikanishisa kakhulu
Yeah.
vele ungilahlela ngayena le way ngilahlela ngakhona wangilahlela edamini
Ufuna ukuexpose.
yeah ung-expose
Yeah.
ngapha vele ingwenya seyiqalile yashaya yabo sekuyazi ukuthi ngama weekend le izotholakala emahlathini samuntu
Yeah.
understand sihlala ekhasini eBethlehem
Ukushanga surprise.
yeah ngishanga surprise vela nginakanga hawu ngizoba indoda sondela
Uyastart.
oh ngisondela ngithathwa nje esigangeni kuthiwa hey sondela mangifika ngakusasa kuthiwa baba bangangawe labantu hawu from there angisayina sebenchini
Ngisaqala ebenchini ungintroduce
yeah iyithi mni madoda ayidana zangikhalela ke la uNkulunkulu ke ngene ngikore
Yeah.
siwine 2-1 ngashaya ipraise lapho or ngashaya 1 siwine 2-1 hayi buye lwemuva ngibuye Wednesday sizodlala ngekhethu mina hawu angikho futhi hayi
Qhubeke nokushaya.
Ngipila ngiqhubeka nokubushaya ngapha uJimmy yangifonela hayi ngibona ukuthi yazini lokulibele ngigega le ndoda le ukuthi ngitshena ukuthi ubaba lo ayikho lento qonde ngqo kuye entambama buye eJimmy ngithatha imoto ngibheke kuye Pramike no lana hayi sengizwile
Yeah.
but ini akunala uyakhona ngithi hey baba sengizwile ngeke ngihamba manje ngizwile ngempela nalo muntu wakho lo manje ukuyikhetha ukuthi kusala bani kimna kuye but yangwenya vele hayi
Ibhemi.
ya ibhemi nashayisana vele nami nokufika nje ejimini hayi bathi yangibiza bengingazwa mshini mayingibiza nginga respond bengize ngibizwe uThemba Sithole khani ngirespond
yeah
kuyo nje hayi besinga
ukuthi angangidelelo insizwa yakho
yeah kunaleyo ngqondo vele ukuthi hayi uyangidelela lo singabingelelani abulisa athi wenza ama jokes ngimtshenge ukuthi bawe
yeah
hlala nabantu bakho ngiyithulele
Ngidlala nawe.
yeah ukuthi hayi wena ngikhulumela noThemba yabo
yeah
vele bese kuleyo hayi Mike abathe yangincenga uMike no ngizonibiza meeting ngithi hayi bra Mike sengizwile
sengiright ngalo
yeah sengiright shoot uMike abone ukuthi ngeke aye kuma rivals wethu lo muntu Celtics la iduzana ukuyazosiqeda lo muntu lo ngenduku
yeah
athi uMike hayi ndoda mina ngakuhlanisela idile eLgrand ngithi mina kuphi at Cape Town ngithi ini athi relax lapha bazokuphatha Grand
yeah
ngithi hayi babayi ngitshenile ukuthi mina ngibromo manje
ngifuna laba ngifuna
laba ngifuna khona athi laba abantu dala bakufuna ngibhizi nabo ngithi bongasho ngani athi hayi bengisawa into ngithi ngizolungisa isimo sakho ngingabanika inamba yakho labantu bangifonele ngithi hayi angizwa lento yakho hayi ngisayicabanga kahle sizovala hayi ngiphuma entambama ngibheke ngiphume kuye hayi ngiyixhaphaza ngifike ngihlale hayi hlale ngicabanga hey madod nami lo muntu uthumela le emakhaladini yo ufika ngenze njani sibona sivuke la kimi mos ngokwenza njani le teni kanje
awuna agent at the time
next
yeah
mina ngiyikhulumela nawe Promac bekakutshena hey wena yimbe I think bekuyimi plan ngana agent ku-Free State bengiyela straight mina ngimtshenge ukuthi hey Mike mina ngifuna imali engaka sani ngifike ngaka athi hayi ngeke ngikhona leyo mali ngithi hayi asiyeke hamba ngizokubiza
yeah
yabona agent yami bese bekunguye because yamanye ebezinye izinto mangihamba futhi ngimuvela ku-Free State ngayithatha kuye sengimuvela ku Ajax ngayithatha kuye ezinye izinto like ama appearances ukuthi mawudlala ama game angaka uyabona mawukora you understand that's why mina I contract yami ku Free State Stars yangathi yayi eyingcono and then ngihamba naleyo nto in my mind because bekasho
ukuthi phambili unegotiate so negotiate ngalama
ngalama terms lapho because bekakutshena ukuthi igoal ukukora igoal imali lokho ukuappeara you understand imali and then but une basics yakho but nale ama incentives lawa wasebenzisa so ay sizovala Saturday Wednesday benginika Mike Thursday yangifonela uJim indoda ukuphi ngitanga la Free State sizodlala neCeltics sathi hayi sesifikile Thursday ebusuku ngicela ukuthi uzwakala usethimini ngithi hayi angikho athi hayi ebusuku ngicela uzwakale la silele khona hey manje athi no ungezi ngemoto yakho ngizothumela imoto mina kulande coach uBenjamin Reed athi coach ufuna ukukhuluma nawe ngithi okay kunankinga ayi vele ngihlale ngathi ngihleli bangifonele ndoda ukuphi ngithi hayi ngiso bathi singakuthola kuphi kunenye indawo bathi sesitsingi lapha eQwaqwa ngithi ngizongithola ngalesitsingi ngemuva ngale kusemakhaya ngithi ngizongithola ngale angithatha imoto yami ngifike ngipake eparking ngaphambili should bayijenge ukuthi ngingene because kune tavern bayijenge ukuthi ngiphakathi angiphume lapha ngidabula bhethi ngiphumela ngabe ngithathe blomfo siye eBethlehem ecamp ekhona Celtics eyofika uJim Dendot nangicoach yakufuna lo muntu uthini athi uBenjamin Endoda siyakufuna ngizokudlalisa mina engihlanyiswe lo muntu yimosolana
bendiya coach ne boss
endiyale hayayikho lento le ngithi mina okay Jim nginika into eso athi hey alikho iplane hola le mali la kimi ngithi uthini athi ayikho alikho lika awume kahle awucabange kahle ngithi okay into ongayenza ke manje ngifakele so athi hayi awuyocabanga ngithi mina okay ake siye ema holiday
mara nje roughly awusebenzele awusibekele ipicture mhlawumbe umfuna aboma malini so at the time ngithi isedlule uzivela aboma 2006-7 la
yeah Hayi 2004.
2004.
Yeah, because 2005. Yeah, 2005.
Yeah.
2005 2006 season. Ngikumuva kwami ku Free State Stars. Ngifuna 25, ngifuna ne400 yegoli, ngifuna ne500 yama appearance. Mang appear ngifuna ngifile 500. Ayiphikise with except the bonus, winning bonus a team.
Signing on ufuna?
Ngifuna iclip ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Ngifuna iclip. Iyaphikisa ayingeke. Ayingeke. Kodwa ngiyasicabanga sonke singakumita halfway but nawo adjust maybe ku salary ke nakuma bonus adjust yabona.
Yeah.
Ngithi okay hayi no sizoyikhuluma. Ngicabanga manje ku Mike.
Ufuna ukuzwa ngale ukuthi bathini?
Ngicabanga ngale.
Yeah.
Kuthi ngabe ngale ngibuye. Ayisidlalo Saturday kumele ngivaye. Ngiye ekhaya. Ngitshela uBramike endoda phela ungakhohlwa. Ngihamba mina. Angisabuyi la ngoJanuary. Ezinye into zami sengiyithuthile. Siyisekhaya. Athe manje ungathutha kanjani singaqedanga? Ngithi hayi mfowethu. Sengizwile ngitshenile ngalomuntu wakho lo. Athi okay, ithi ngifonela uJohn ke.
Committees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ithi ngifonela uJohn ngizothi usase interested in because bekakufuna ngamblock.
Yeah.
Ambeke speaking. Hey John nangu filakazi kanje wathi uyamfuna. Athi uJohn athi Mike hayi manje available. Athi uJohn ulying. Nginike lo mfana ngikhulume naye. Athi Mike nangu anginike ngimboss athi kunjani ngithi right. Athi manje ngithi hayi sesikhulume nobaba uMkwene yangijena ukuthi uinterested. Athi lona no, it's Saturday today. Ngicela ukuthi Monday morning flyer from eJoburg uze eCape Town. Sizo negotiate and then bese ehamba emaholiday ke ekhaya.
Yeah.
Ngithi okay. Akunankinga. But eJozi mina anginandawo. Athi no sizokubhukhela eairport mawufika lapha no usho sikubhukhela le flight shiye imoto ugibele Monday morning. Ngivule Sunday emini ngiye ngabo 3 kanje Shaimon from Free State. Ngize eJozi ngifike ngibhukhe ngilale Monday ngivuka ekseni Cape Town. Ama ngifika ngithi ngiyamshaya uJohn hayiqonda.
Avumele into oyifunayo. Yonke into. Uda ngisekhaya.
Ngidala ngisekhaya. uJohn uthi ngafike ngamzela nje ngathi mina indoda ngifuna 35. Ngalama nakhuza bami.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngifuna 35. What are you?
Mnandi.
Right, coach uyakufuna yonke into. Ngathi mina sure. Wathi sure. Ngathi ngibuya nini? Sengijaha ukuthi kuvuka. Chawuthi kuvuka into zami is right.
Yeah.
Mina ngibuye nini?
Yeah.
Athi relax sizokutshela. Sizokuthumela angithumele kuna out eyinakho sizokuthumela kulomjida lo uDr Sundowns manje asase ku SuperSport. Kunibani umjida? Thumele kuye eMamelodi. Athi ngoJanuary ngabo yi4 uyele eMamelodi. Yenza ama medical yonke into. And then sizokula ticket from there.
Hayi uNhlophe Dr Nhlophe.
Yeah, loyo.
Yeah.
Thumele mams. Hey ngithi mina imali. Angazi lutho futhi nalapha. Sampumba phela umakhaya boy. Nyama.
Yeah.
Hayi angivaye ngekhama holiday. Angihlala ekhaya hayi. Ngilinde January vela shaya bangifone. Ngifonela umgay. Uyile ndoda. Kuno doctor we team esizokuthumela kuyo yenza medical endaweni so sizokuthumela address. Kusengakabi khona lento zama location.
Yeah.
Address ish marad ngizowenza njani wama Melodi le ayivuki kwaPitoli le ayivuki.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga hayi kunomunye sisi wami usebenza yini ndawo mophuma ngale eKaslam Domphele kunjini
Le ma breads le.
ma bread
Yeah.
engicabanga yena avele ngimfonele indoda kunendawo so ngifuna so athi hayi lapho ngiyazi ngithi manje yenza sure ukuthi kudijana ePitoli athi wena mofika eWitbank ungene so hambe shaya straight yokukhiphela lapha eSunday Sun eSun lapha yokukhiphela bizongithola ngime lapho ayivele ngishaya imoto ngingene ngene lapha ngifike ngene ngimthole angithathe
awuye Sunnyside mfethu ngoba uDr Nhloko beka operate le Sunnyside
hayi because
uya phakathi eMamelodi
yeah inakhuza yakhe enakhuza yakhe surgery yakhe yena angifike ngisho medical ya Grand Moja ngiyabona ba ngibuyele ekhaya hayi kuphele 2 days 3 days angifonela uJohn endoda sesikubhukhele Cape Town imovie yami yenzeka kanjalo ke
yeah uyafika lapha eCape Town uthola bobani mfethu because if I remember very well okay let me say the team that I remember is Cape Town benidlala ngawo amajita abo inja yami uClifford
ngobeni
Clifford was there
yeah
umthola lapha
yeah umthola lapha
abo sowahla
umthola lapha
umthola
kwakhe phela
khona le bengincane kakhulu bengincane lo mfundo
Shuman
umfundo Shuman
umthola lapha
leyo left hayi
bekuyingweni
kwenzakaleni ngaloyo mfayo bengiyithanda le yabo
angazi ukwenzakaleni hayi bekuyingweni
umfundo Shumana uNhlanhla Shabalala
ya umuntu engafika ngahlala nabo ke
kodwa wesijiwe weSAF
yeah
uthola bona la
yeah ngithola bona kusaseyintwana
kusaseyintwana
bekuyintwana
ufika wisine wena
ngifika vele ngisina lapho ngijabela ukubona mina ngene dressing room
but nango kumgadi
yeah but nango baqeda kuthengisa uTerra Fontaine bathengisa uRussell Mfurila bathengisa Price Moon
yeah
ayi uPrice uthengiswe ngikhona uTerra ngamtholanga uRussell Mfurila yeah bo Sean mabehamba
yeah umqeqeshi ubani
Craig Ross kusuka umshini
uyahamba
yeah uyahamba umshini
ngena uCraig
yeah umshini yakucheese ngena uCraig
oh
yeah
and then uphethe nale bengithanda left captain yoNgamla
yeah Brad Evans
yoNgamla belaziphola
blind
yeah
hayi le hayi bengitshela ngithi akekho umlungu ohlani nje
lo mlungu loya the guy used to play baba yeah
kodwa khona la sengizohamba bakuye umshini sidlala neChiefs wona kulo yale Chiefs ukuthi ibhola phezulu uDavid ayishaka ekhanda uDavid Matimu ayithi owela lapha ivuke bayithi yavuka mina benginestairs uhlala ebenchini ngivale ngehoodie kanje ngiyahleka ize kimi that's why you are not playing
ulaka teammate yakho bamfikele
kufikele kuDVD abengumdrayisa ngiyamhlela
that's why we're not playing
that's why we're not playing yeah namanje bengithi ngizothola uJabu ngimtshenge ukuthi awahlala ngalalisa enyingweni yako Free Stars hey
ubani
uJabu
ubani leyo ngwenye le
uTyson boys isibongo sakhe sengisikhohliwe
ngiyakhumbula le boy lo Tyson yeah athi ngingasho lento ngifuna ukuyisho mara ngiyakhumbula le ngoma yesho
right back
yeah
asizodlala nePirate I remember Ellis Park ngishera naye room angithi during the week bekiyo kuthiwa izomakha uJabu ayikana safikelana kakhulu
yeah
ayisilele ndodayi ngizwa ngabo 1 ngizwa umuntu uyaphupha ngithi wena athi ngibona uJabu
Una manetmes literally
ifithe wona yeah football is to be nice man
hawu Jabu bekinkinga
inkinga lo yamuntu
Jabu the problem mwana wathwe
bekinkinga lo muntu suka ka left cut ezaphakathi
indoda
ngizinto thidele ngizobusuku ngithi hayi bo kwenze njani indoda ngibona uJabu yabona uzolimala
awona umuntu angambukelanga uJabu phansi
akasilutho
yeah
akasilutho mfuthu
so lapha eCape Town mawufika ireception benjani from amajita obviously ufika le izwe lamakhaladi different mindset but the team le oya kuyo Ajax Cape Town was well run, professional, everything structure salapha ntwana. Mawufika ntwana ubuya wona le maphulukwana ubuya ema-Free State. Nilezi inkwana amapapa before nodlala igame. Mawufika lapha ntwana bakutshela ngama-pre-match meal proper yonke into.
Free State sasidla KFC kudla.
Yeah, ngithola lento engifuna ukuyisho.
Yeah.
Mawufika lapha provovo.
Isibu. That's why lento bengisho ko ngithi mina yabona uNkulunkulu ngenye into. Yabona mangifika lapha yana mfowethu. Hey mfowethu. Ngithola ibag engaka. Bag engaka. Uqala kwami ugcoka isuit ngaqala lapha.
Awuze madoda.
Oye gaming fuck suit.
Awuze.
Ibag mfowethu igcwele ayikho into engekho lapha eAdidas. Sicathulo casual ama-shirt.
And not Adidas la international.
Yeah, shirt, tie. Yabona? Ayikho into engekho lapha phakathi.
Ayangikhumbulo.
Bag engaka mfowethu ibag huge igcwele yonke into.
Lapha ekamva la.
Ya lapha kusezulwini lapha.
Yeah.
Small event there mfowethu i-training yakhona ngapha kune-artificial ngale kune-grass. Yabona ngeke ukuthi akujinywa ngoba leliyana. Nune-6 pin yakho lapha phakathi lapha ebhegeni nayo yonke into.
Yeah.
Malini izulu sibuya ngapha artificial gymela khona malibalele siyangale. Dependa ukuthi siyodlala kuphi kanjani. Understand? Mawuqeda ukutraina lapha lunch. Seni breakfast.
Yawuzo.
Yabo, thina sijwayele lapha kaMkwena hayi. Niyodlala ngithengelwe ebhasini KFC nesinkwa. Coca-Cola lapha mfethu soyatshena ukuthi baba. Suka kulento yakhe isinkwa nama chips.
Before manje bakuchange mindset manje
ukuthi shintsha umqondo
a professional player here.
Yeah, lana indlela sekwenzeka ngishintshile manje all together.
Yeah.
Ayikho nalento ukuthi manje kuzothiwa ke niye kumama thizeni kuyogcotshiswa.
Azikho le.
Hayi.
Uzayigcobisela wena.
Ugcobisela wena into zakho mawunazo.
And wena ubuya le Mpumalanga kude bongasagcobisi.
Ayikho ungagcobisa izweni ngayo ufika lento iphuphile. Mpumalehla nje ufika iphuphile lento.
Yeah.
Yabona. That's why maybe nempilo yashintsha kakhulu.
From Ajax.
Yeah, from Ajax I think a lot changed.
Yeah.
Ukuningi kwa change nami ngaqala namanje sengiba ucheese boy nyana ke ngiyaphuma iplaza man. Esekho lento ukuthi ungazongibhedela. Yabona sengibuka izinto ngenyini.
So ba civilized.
Yeah, nami singima ucivilized lapha.
So ilontuzane yo amajita mawufika lapha. Uskima bobani obvious phela it's not all about football. We've got life outside football. Ubani ukintroduce to Cape Town and the life in Cape Town.
Mangifika nje abantu angithi baba grand game kwaba uDominic Isaac.
Yeah.
Uye umuntu wangifundisa iCape Town like wangikhipha wangifaka okay bushaba bimalala bayizintwana futhi angazi noma bebangisaba or bebane nalento ukuthi maybe ngizohola grant or yabona yazi amajita kanjani mawufika baba reserved a bit because I spend most of my time ngihamba no Dominic Isaacs ngihamba no Franking bavashela li and then it's when Shaba came back waba opened and then bovovo ke okay kwaqala ke manje life ya sengihamba nabo Daki ke yabona but nje abantu abangiphatha grand first nje abantu engiphuma nabo amakhaladi. Yeah, but
bongekho surprise ukuthi phela uShaba ubuya naye eMpumalanga mostly ukuthi ngiswani ngibuya naye le you would think he's the first guy to come is to say yazini. Mfethu let me show you ukuthi Cape Town injani.
Angithi lokho ngisho ukuthi emqondweni wami kwafika ukuthi okay beza ngale attitude and nami vele nginale emqondo ukuthi nje umunye umfana angifuni nje adlalele phezulu.
Insizwa yakho umunye umuzi.
Yeah, udla ipapa la kubungidlela kithi. So ngaba nami nalento le ukuthi hayi kuzoba nje sho yabona but umuntu engihlala naye engiskime yena kwaba uDomza. Sahlala noDomza ke okay babuya ke boShaba ke and then that's when naye ngambona
sekasondela
yaseka
manje umkhanyiseni swahla mfethu le yahlupha le bekanjani umfana because he was such a talent mfethu Alex bekahleli la kule sofa nabe uyenzani umjita usitshele ngaye
hayi
ngoba liyabelikena phela
ya ibhola bekalazi angimazi umuntu onjena mina empilweni but ngokukhula kwami nangokubuka kwami ngathi I'm sorry to say this ukuthi amajita amaXhosa ngathi ayafana balazi ibhola but angazi kwenzakalani
Khanda.
yeah
Dololo
yeah same as uzongo same as Thando Mngomeni uyabona nje
Thando Mngomeni
same thing usuwahla ngikhumbula akorile kora ngolosithathu Thursday akekho ejimini uyabuya bekahlala ceni kwami futhi uyabuya Friday unokutshwana ekseni siyadlala Saturday uyangena uCraig uyabhala ebhodini lapho ushaya ngestick mayithi inhlayo uyambona maka where were you ayiphenduka kancane ithi ile kake ngiqhela umnqondo le ngiyahleba changing room manje uhleli eceni kwami uCraig ubuza mina Sifiso what is Mark saying mina uthi he was sick uthi uyaxoka jo ushona eceni kwami axoka jo andifuna aqale
so
ufaka mina manje
ufuna ukuthi wena usho
ngisho lento ayisho manje ke mina benginawo nalama jokes yabona ngithi mina coach lento ayishoyo ngesilungu angikwazi ukuthi ngizayisho ngicela laba
bazisizile
lento ayishoyo ngesilungu yabona ngicela laba bazi isilungu bakukhulumele
so uNotuzane azange coach uMushini vele ne
wangicoach
because I remember man uMushini coachile so he went to Kaizer Chiefs
and then he went to Tick and then he came back. That's when ku pronyoto abo Thuran Serrero kufika bo George Maluleka kufika bo Billiard and then
okay so ukuthola lapho uMushini
uMushini mayebuya second time ngithola lapha
I relationship yakho naye beyinjani bekayicoach enjani ngamthakalweni
it was that guy mina bengimthanda
Yeah.
And then he loved me or he pretend to love me, but the way begenza ngakhona he showed love to me.
Yeah.
I had a good relationship naye. He was honest to me.
Yeah.
Uyabona umuntu maye honest mina ngendlela engikhule ngakhona ngoba ngishilo ngithi mina ngu-farm boy ngiyayithanda honesty. Ngiyathanda ukuthi masenze izinto ube straightforward kimi.
Yeah.
Yabona mawubheda nje
wenza kahle futhi
you understand that guy. That's one thing bengiyithanda ngaye because kimi bekangajikelisi bekangitreata futhi nje bekanginika iposition yami uthi ngimdala because bese kugcwele indwana sebahambile bodoms yabona yonke le gang bekanginika le respect because even if bekangeka ngidlalise ngeweekend he was gonna he called me ahlale nami phansi angitshena you know what, we're playing these small teams blah blah blah, I want my chickens to run over them, ngiyabona kune game so engifuna wena ufocusele yona
ready for the game,
and then now you aging, I don't want to waste your mileage yabona. So I had a good relationship naye. Give me, he was good.
But when you were a senior player so experience, but for the young ones bombona kanjani, because that guy can shout baba, and I know there's players that mom shout he comes out of his shell, omunye mom shout he just goes into a shell angasaphinda adlale.
I think lapha ku Ajax those chickens, because yena bekabiza ama chickens,
I remember
he used to love them and they loved him too. They understood him. I think that's the one thing emenze a China lapha yana, because lapha fana bebamthanda.
So ntwana uyadlala uMushini sekakutreat as a senior player, awusatholi maybe leyo game time, siyafika thina siyakokota siyibeat versus Wits. siyakudonsa lapha ntwana uza ngapha ku-Roger Disa wayithola i-team abo-Patrick bakuthole lapha ne I mean ubathole lapha nabo-Sifiso
yeah
Maruvila bamsayine after wena
yeah bapromotwa ngikhona
uSibusiso Vila kasi
Yeah.
bampromota ukhona lapha I remember mawufika mawuceda ukusayina boyuthrowa
yeah
wafika you invited us ngadriver ngashaya imoto ngiyi-1 ntwana
yeah
ngayikhomba le
yeah
ayikhomba le mfethu ekini le mfethu so wathrowa after getting married I think you brought your family this side never wahlala nabo ngapha waqala iBidvest was I think there was a great season that we had mawufika ntwana
Yeah.
eBidvest I was can you take us through that moment yakho of life football because ubuya kuleya team bese bakutreata ngathi you are aging but mawufika eVets mfana sakurejuvenate lapha
yabona yiko ngihlale ngibeka uNkulunkulu phambili I think ku-Ajax nami I had that thing ukuthi isikhathi sami vele siphelile because here comes Thulani Sirero
yeah
bamvimba ngapha nangapha wena kunokuthi bakuvimbe sebaqala babheka ngehlo so we understand
yeah
nawe soyabuka ukuthi madoda umfana omncane wenza izinto zenzeka
yeah
nawe mangathi ukhalela ukudlala ngabe ikhanda lakhe alisebenzi yeah and then sadlala neVets I think lapho wayelimele ana 2 months alimele sikudlala mina futhi ngibuyele ngidlala sidlala neVets Roger Disa after game angibiza athi kwenzakala ningasadlali ngithi ish sengikhumbule ekhaya manje my focus is no longer eCape Town sengifuna ukuza closer to home
yeah
avela tayini mina ngiyakufuna ngithi serious at sure ngithi okay siyasuka neVets sisuka neAjax siya eMaritzburg siyodlala ngithi mina ukhuluma nabo John batshena abafonele immediately uJohn angibize after masifike hotel because besikhemba lengase airport angibiza athi iVets yakufuna ngithi nami sengifuna ukuhamba manje athi is it ngithi yeah athi let me talk to the coach qeda kufika u4
yeah
call
lo madala lo
yeah lo waseGerman
hayi nzima
bekafana nomshindo
Yeah.
yamchida loya bengithanda ama training session wakhe
4 petihan hayi ngimazi kahle ntwana
lo amadala lo ama training session wakhe
favor ntwana
yabona ama training alo amadala sibu
yeah
benge ibhola belingasuki lihambe emoyeni ibhola belingandluli la kulo amadala
Yeah.
ku West full game but ibhola ndlula ku West iyajaja
aye 4 petihan
ama
nothulani Sirero ngiyazi kahle leya team ntwana
mfethu vele ngikhulume naye uFop na ngimtshela hayi athi okay sizobona mangithi ngiyafika eMaritzburg labantu baqedile masifika nje mara sisuke la siye eMaritzburg masifika eMaritzburg niyadlala nindlala neCosmos Monday it was the 16th December
yeah
I remember 2010 it was the 16th December
hayi 2010
or 2009
2009
yeah ngizodlala neCosmos I remember my first game it was Cosmos mangidlale Sunday ngadlala kuBidvest ngadlala kuAjax Sunday
yeah
ngatravel ebusuku ngafika ngithola ecampini
Yeah.
Monday ngiseteamini yeBidvest so ngimove yami yaba because asuka la eJozi I think Saturday or Friday Saturday Sunday ebusuku ngabuya
yeah
ngajoin iBidvest I think that's where foot again the life
into zaqalela phansi
yaphinde zaqalela phansi
yeah so Sifiso mfana ngitshele ntwana before sihlukana currently wenzani ntwana mfethu because mina ntwana njengoba sikuVets ngiyakwazi ukuthi wangena kulomkhakha weinkabi ngiyakwazi ukuthi uyinkabi masuka nomanje bangakwazi bangakubona uhleka kanje inzima lezo bese Jimini nesibhamu le ndoda mfethu keleso lo muntu ahlale pre ranking whole Sifiso Vila kazi lo muntu lo Ntwana wenzani manje vele boy?
yeah mfethu ngisaqhuba yona ihustle yami leyo yabona khona lapha eKipton Park taxi ranking la ngiqhuba khona ihustle la I think isinkwa sami manje thatha ifocus yami ngakhumula uSifiso Vilakazi soccer player or a celebrity
Yeah.
ngabuyela emphakathini
Showcase.
serve umphakathi again
Ne?
but on another level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's good mfethu. At least kuchaza amadoda ukuthi mfethu ekugcineni we must support our families.
Yeah, yabona sibuda imfowethu ngoba sila kulempilo is to accept. Acceptance it's a very key in life ukuthi izinto noma sezenzekile noma zenzeka accept ukuthi mina ngisasi lo muntu benginguye
Yeah.
sengiyilona manje.
Yeah.
Uyabona kuze ama family wethu akhona ukufaka isinkwa yabona
Sure.
because mawuzohlala kulento ukuthi mina ngicelebrate mina uma ungafika ekhaya maybe kunomsebenzi or kunomshado kamakhelwane ungazophike wena ukuthi I once played football.
Yeah.
Because I'm hands on, I've took away le mentality
Ukuthi awazi, yeah.
yeah ukuthi ngake ngenzani, understand. So iyo into emina ngicabanga ukuthi ibaleke kakhulu kubafowethu nokucabangela ikusasa, yabona, ucabangela ikusasa lakho ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani wena.
Yeah.
Ufisela ini abantu abakho because mawukhula ungana vision ngibona ukuthi ukhula ngobudodo obright.
Yeah.
Again yiko ngithi mina ubaba wami ngiyambonga wherever he is ukuthi wangenza le ndoda engiyo namuhla.
Showcase.
You understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he used to say kimi ndoda emhlabeni amadoda ayi2 khona indoda efihamba kunendoda ephilayo.
Yeah.
So kukuwe ukuthi ukhethe kuba yipi,
Madoda.
uyabona, because kukhona uthi uyaphila kanti ufile, uyabona. Mina ngithi wathi kimi ubaba mangikhulu wathi mfana wami mawuhlule ukusupporta mina nomama wakho akekho omunye umuntu omsupport empilweni yakho. So cabanga lokho into yokuqala efuna ifike kuwe emqondweni ukuthi angisupport abazali bami uzokhona ukuthi ube nomakoti nomuzi, uyabona. Mawuhluleka wathi kimi mawuhluleka ekhaya sikhula kuneyinkomo ngilusa inkomo, wathi mawuhluleka ukulusa inkomo zala ekhaya ezakho zoluseka kanjani, uyabona. Mawuhluleka ukunakekela into yabazali bakho wena uyinakekela kanjani, uyoba nayo kanjani wena yakho. Yiloko nje ukubalekile empilweni okungasikhipha like keep going, don't dwell too much kuma past ukuthi mina once do that once did what, you understand. Life goes on.
So amajita lawa mfethu a retire njengathi, so what advice do you have for them? Ngiyayuza advice into oyishoyo, but most of amajita vele asabambelele kulento le ukuthi mina bengidlala iphelile just life must go on.
I think when asibu mina my ngike ngabuzwa ngenye out lapha the other day sikhuluma ngithi mina we must accept.
Yeah.
It's a very good tool, yabona, ukuthi uaccept ukuthi angisasiyo Sibu Mahlanga mina lo,
Yeah.
yabona, because abanye abantu bafuna ukuphila kuma shade, you understand, ukuthi maybe kuzozenzakalela.
Yeah.
You understand, the way we start ngakhona namanje continue ngayo. You hustling for yourself, not for community, not for ukuthi ubonwe ngabantu, you understand. It's about you.
Isikhathi sincane man, mangihlele nomfowethu lona uyabona ukuthi siyayincenga siza nayo kancane. Ntwana ngicabanga ukuthi sizoyicedelela noShafuli mfethu, because bekakufuna naye mfethu ukuthi yazi le house ngiyayifuna. Ngicabanga ukuthi sizoba ne part 2 ke lethu. Le house kumele siyidonse futhi sizoyicedelela. Unfortunately guys, indaba zipheli man, lo muntu singakhuluma liphume futhi ilanga. Sizombiza guys for a part 2. But Sifiso, thank you so much for coming to Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Sizokubiza definitely for a part 2. Story saka sikakapheli, sisese halfway bafethu. Sizoyibiza le ndoda lena. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and hit that notification bell so that nizothola ama latest episodes with Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Thank you for tuning in. Asihlanganeni futhi in the next show, guys. Keep on supporting Ijabo Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis, guys. Hey, sidonsa kanzima kule show lena. If there's any support that you can give us financially, sponsorship wise, you are welcome. Sizobeka ama number wethu kuma comment section where you can get hold of us so that the show can grow. Okwamanje sisa operator eGauteng only. We want to go to KZN, we want to go to Eastern Cape and all the 9 provinces zala South Africa, but kusesenzima bafethu, but sizofika. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, adios. Sivale. Thank you.